Alright, the third part is powering on the machine. The startup sequence for the machine is to first turn on the controller. After turning on the controller, we then turn on the laser and then switch on the laser power. After switching on the laser, our display will enter the main interface. To access the main interface, a login password is required. The login password is a lowercase a followed by admin. We have a short startup introduction video here, so let's take a quick look at it together.
Let's take a look at how to specifically power on and off the DX360i Domino laser machine. First, plug the main power cable into the machine. After you have plugged in the device, there is a specific key located right here, but please don't turn this one just yet, as we actually need to turn on this main switch first. Go ahead and close the switch. Once it's closed, wait for about 20 seconds for it to finish.
At this point, we just need to patiently wait for about 1 minute for the process to complete. Only then will the display screen start up. Done.
Is there one at your place? Turn it off. Okay. All right, when this system disabled interface appears, we use the key to turn it on. Turn it to the right to open it. Let's wait.
Okay, now turn on the laser key switch to start the laser.
While we are currently looking at this idle standby screen interface, we first need to carefully input our required security credentials, type in the password ADMIA, then once that is complete, make sure to save these credentials and proceed to log in to successfully gain access to the system. Okay, at this point, there is a list of messages below. We can select the information we want to print first or just use the default information. Either way is fine. When we click this, when we press the start button on the system, the laser will turn on and the light will come on. We have a light over here. It will also light up once the laser is ready and the green light is on. Our process is already, Mr. Chin, very good.
Once the printer is ready, you can start printing. Turn it on to print.
Once the system is ready, we give it the signal, place the product underneath, and let's test it. This is the result of our printing. This is actually very good. This is a startup. This is regarding the focal length for our 230 lens. What should the focal distance be for the 230mm lens? Yes, Xiaoyu, the distance from our lens to the product surface should be 230mm. Oh, we are currently in the process of shutting down this entire machine. The essential key steps for our project are as follows. First, we must carefully pause the machine, and then we can safely turn off the laser system. Then we turn off the key switch.
And then after that,
Finally, we turn off the main power supply. When our display system is muted, in the case of borrowing or using, we turn off this main power supply.
turn on.
Turn off.
First of all, this is one. This is the equipment's initial startup and final shutdown procedures.
Switch.